Hi YouTube.
Hey YouTube friends and family, it's your boy GB Reviews, and today we're doing another Green Chef meal. We're gonna do chicken with harissa apricot sauce over a bed of toasted pearl couscous and dried apricots with sauteed broccoli. We're gonna go through the ingredients. I'll go through the steps. We'll do them really quickly. I chopped everything already so that it makes it easier. So on your ingredients, you have chicken cutlets. We have 10 ounces of chicken cutlets, dried apricot sauce, and apple spice blend. We have our couscous. We have one whole lemon that I've zested and I've diced into quarters. And then we had broccoli heads, and I just cut it up into easily manageable pieces. This meal will take about 30 minutes to cook, and it serves two, and it's about 830 calories. So we're gonna get at it. The first thing you're gonna need to do is you're gonna have to boil some water. We're gonna go through the steps, but you need a small pan for boiling water. You need a larger pan to cook the chicken, and then you need a medium-sized pan because we're gonna saute our broccoli. So let's turn our handy dandy card over, and I'll just go through the steps really quickly. First step is prepping all your stuff. We've done that already. The second step is we're gonna cook our couscous. The couscous you're gonna cook for 11 to 14 minutes, depending on how you want it, but you want it about al dente. And you wanna put, once you get done with it, you're gonna just drizzle it with olive oil. Then you're gonna prep your chicken. We're gonna season our chicken with this, but the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it open, we're gonna pat it dry, and then we're gonna put our Smoky Applewood spice on it. We're gonna cook the chicken with olive oil in a pan for 3 to 4 minutes until it's brown. We're gonna stir in this applesauce, cook it a little bit more for another 4 to 5 minutes. And then last step, we're gonna saute our broccoli. Saute our broccoli in a small pan over medium heat with 1/4 salt and pepper, a pinch of pepper. And then I actually may throw some hot pepper in here too, just to make it a little bit spicier. And then after that, we're gonna plate everything, and then you'll see how to plate it, and then we'll be good to go. So with that, I'm gonna boil the water so that we can start cooking our couscous, and then I'll start the video high speed when we're cooking the chicken. All right, with that, let's go. Another one for the books. We're done. Look at that. You saw me plate it. We are about to taste it. I think everything came out right. We used the pearl couscous. The one thing about the pearl couscous is sticky, like sticky rice. Unlike some of the other ones, like the Israeli couscous or some of the Moroccan couscouses. This one is sticky, but I think it came out well. The apricot sauce, the harissa apricot sauce, is a bit spicy. When I was reducing it, I realized I had fresh apricots in the refrigerator, so I added some of that to the sauce, so that's why you see the chunks of apricot. And then I finished it all off with a little hot paprika, just give a little bit more spice. And then the inside the couscous, because it was still warm, the dried apricots got a little bit hydrated, so you have an apricot taste in your couscous. So let's check it out. We're gonna go from right to left. We'll check out all the different flavors and see how they came out. The couscous is great. You can definitely taste the lemon zest and the apricot in there, and then the black pepper that you add. It's the taste combination is great. Now let's go for the chicken. It's a sweet but spicy at the same time. I'm loving it. I would do this with chicken all the time. I think people sleep on the sweet sauces that you can put on savory meals. So I like cherry sauces, apricot sauces, even like a marmalade, an orange marmalade. Great. So, and then finally, the broccoli. Gotta get the broccoli. 5-minute cooking time, just right. It's still crunchy, what you want. You don't want it wilted. And so I'm super happy with this meal. It's a North African dish. So shout out to all my North African friends. Comment on this meal if you like it, if you've done it before. If you're North African, definitely let me know if I did it the right way. And then if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Please hit the like button for the algorithm. Please hit the notification bell for other meals that come out. Again, write down any meals that you want me to work on. I will do other meals. And thanks for rocking with me. Anyway, it's your boy GB Reviews. Please subscribe and like below. Peace.
Subscribe right below.